Welcome to San Francisco's Pathways to Citizenship Initiative's free citizenship workshop. SF Pathways is a naturalization collaborative created to increase the number of U.S. citizens in San Francisco by providing free, high-quality legal services and culturally competent information and resources. Citizenship is important for immigrants because it provides many significant benefits like the right to vote, the ability to petition and reunite with family members, improved job prospects and family income, greater ability to travel internationally, and protection from deportation, among many other things. Community-based organizations provide free, multilingual eligibility screenings, application assistance, and legal consultations to individuals who may be eligible to naturalize. These naturalization services are provided in two ways: one-on-one office appointments with our community partners, and large group processing workshops held every few months. Free group processing workshops are offered several times each year. Workshops are designed to help hundreds of participants complete their entire citizenship application from start to finish if clients bring all required documents and information. Workshops are the easiest, most convenient way to receive proper legal assistance and get the application completed and reviewed all in one day. This video explains how our group processing workshops operate and will help you understand the steps and requirements in order to make the most of your day in citizenship application. Before entering the workshops, all participants will be quickly screened while in line to make sure they have their green card and meet the basic eligibility requirements for naturalization. All workshops begin with registration, where all participants will receive a timed entry ticket, which lists a specific time to return in order to begin the process with us, sign in and receive a participant number that will be used for identification purposes during the workshop, indicate their preferred language for receiving services, and receive a packet of documents that includes a tracking sheet and other intake forms. The tracking sheet will be used by volunteers to guide you through each of the stations at the workshop. After registration, everyone will proceed to the screening station, where a volunteer will conduct a general intake and write down some of your biographical information, such as name, date of birth, and when you became a legal permanent resident. The volunteer will conduct basic screenings that will include asking you questions that relate to your eligibility for U.S. citizenship, such as whether you've been arrested, if you owe any taxes, and if you're able to speak English. If something comes up that could potentially impact your eligibility to naturalize, the volunteer will refer you to a more in-depth attorney consultation with a qualified legal representative to determine whether you should proceed with your naturalization application. Participants who complete screening with no red flags will proceed directly to form filling. Station 2, Attorney Consultation. During screening, some individuals may have identified issues that require additional attention from immigration experts before proceeding with the naturalization application. These individuals may have complex cases for a range of reasons and will be able to receive further review during the attorney consultation. Having a criminal history does not prevent you from obtaining U.S. citizenship. However, obtaining complete, detailed records of the arrest and the court proceedings will help our legal representatives ensure that you are making an informed decision about whether or not to apply. Many of our workshops feature a live scan machine that allows those with criminal records to conduct a fingerprint-based background check and request a rap sheet listing any convictions and arrests in California. Results will provide a comprehensive list of any criminal encounters. Upon completing attorney consultation, some clients with minor issues will be instructed to proceed to citizenship application form filling, while those who are ineligible to naturalize or have more complex cases will be referred to checkout. Station 3, Form Filling. At form filling, a volunteer will assist you in filling out the application for naturalization, known as the N-400 form. Form filling volunteers, as with other stations, are supervised by immigration specialists who are available to answer questions and ensure accuracy. Because the citizenship application is over 20 pages long, the station typically takes the longest amount of time. In addition to filling out your citizenship application at the form filling station, you will be assessed to determine eligibility for the application fee waiver. If you are low income or receive public benefits from the government, such as SSI, Medi-Cal, food stamps, WIC, CalWORKS, Cash Aid, General Assistance, etc., you may be eligible for a waiver of the $725 application fee charged by USCIS. If you are eligible, a volunteer will also help you fill out the fee waiver application, Form I-912. All fee waiver applications must be accompanied by documentation proving your eligibility. Bring a recent letter from your county's Human Service Agency to the workshop to show that you are receiving a public benefit. Not eligible for fee waiver? No problem. Get a zero-interest loan to pay your citizenship application fee. And if you live, work, or study in San Francisco, SF Pathways will provide a 50% match to cover half the cost. These loans are provided through community-based lending circles operated by our community partner, Mission Asset Fund. Representatives from Mission Asset Fund attend each workshop to provide more information and help you enroll. After completing your citizenship application and possible fee waiver, you are ready for the final review station. Station 4, Final Review. At Final Review, a qualified legal representative will perform a final, detailed review of your entire application and supporting documents to see if there's anything missing or needs to be changed. If your application isn't ready to be mailed, the legal representative will let you know what still needs to be done. Once your application is reviewed, you are ready to package and check out at the final station. Station 5, Packaging and Checkout. All participants should check out at Station 5. Whether you are screened out after Station 1 because you are not ready to apply, or whether you have successfully completed all stations and your application is ready to file. If you are ready to file, volunteers will help you prepare and package your application for submissions. Your final package should include the following items: the fully completed citizenship application, N400, copy of the front and back of your green card. Our volunteers can help you make this copy. Your filing fee or fee waiver application. If paying the fee, send a check or money order for $725, $640 if over the age of 75, made out to the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. It's also a good idea to write your A number on the check. If you're applying for the fee waiver, include the completed fee waiver form, I-912, and supporting documents proving your eligibility or receipt of public benefits. All items will be placed in an addressed envelope so you can mail directly to USCIS. Certified mail is recommended. We will also provide a certified mail label on each envelope so you can track the delivery progress of your package. After packaging is complete, you'll receive a next steps document that reviews the mailing instructions and explains what will happen after your application is received by USCIS. The last step at Station 5 is to return your tracking form and registration documents. If you are not ready to file and were screened out and instructed to check out at a previous workshop, you'll be given a referral sheet with contact information for our partner organizations so that we can provide you with further assistance at our offices if needed. As you check out, you can stop by our resource table, which includes materials for a wide range of free community resources and tools, including ESL courses, financial resources, civics exam preparation materials, and many more community programs. A few helpful tips to make the most of our workshops. Number 1, be prepared. Gather important information and documents in advance to make the process easier, including green card, passports and international travel information, personal information about your schooling, employment, and places of residence, family information about current and former spouses and children, criminal information if you have ever been arrested, such as arrest or court records, application filing fee of $725, $640 if over the age of 75 years, or fee waiver supporting documents, recent written proof that you receive public benefits and are eligible for a fee waiver. A citizenship application preparation form can help you organize this important information prior to attending our workshops. You can download the preparation form on our website at www.sf sfpathways-citizenship.org. 2. Keep your documents with you throughout the workshop. Don't leave them unattended or with a volunteer. 3. Bring your own interpreter. This will speed up the process and reduce wait times. 4. Remember your participant number. 5. If you change your address, inform USCIS within 10 days. After attending the workshop, don't forget to mail your packet. Once your packet is received, USCIS will send you a receipt notice and will set appointments for your fingerprints and citizenship interview. Additional information on the USCIS process, including preparation materials and practice civic tests, are available online at www.uscis.gov. If you have any questions or need assistance after our workshop, you can contact us via phone at 415-662-8901 or via email at sfpathways-to-citizenship@gmail.com.